For the last 15 months, you guys, I've been sharing with you a step-by-step proven blueprint process that shows you exactly how to make daily pay from home. And in this video, I'm going to introduce you to Victoria that you guys, she followed this process step by step. And in 5 months, she has achieved 6 figures as a stay-at-home mom working 100% around her children. Actually, she does her business when her child is sleeping. And this video, you guys, you're going to see her calculate how much money she's made. And she literally has a breakdown because she's shocked because she's literally $74 away from making 6 figures in 5 months. And then during her live, it's a video that she was doing live, somebody buys from her and she hit 100,052 some dollars. And I want you to see this. I want you to see what's possible. And I just want you to watch this video and I want you to really think about, what do you want in 2024? Would you love to learn the steps? Would you love to learn step by step how you can make 6 figures with an automated, done for you, rejection free online business in digital marketing? Because that's all we do. We promote 4 different digital products where we make 100% profit. And these products are in the e-learning industry, which is the fastest growing industry.
For 5 months. So we're going to add Stripe plus PayPal. Hang on, if it'll flip around. And like I said, it won't let me change it to July 19th, but July 1st through the 27th. Okay, so we need to add 54,050 plus, y'all, somebody do the math for me. 45,876 plus, 54,050. Shut up. So I am 1 away. I'm like, how, what's the math? Like $74 away from 6 figures, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm shaking. Don't congratulate me yet. Don't congratulate me yet. We're not there. My goal. This is so crazy. This is so crazy. So last year with my boutique, I did $16,000 for the year. For the year. 16 grand for the year, you guys. And I'm the person that has always, like, I've always had that go-getter mentality. And I've always known that, like, I have it in me to apply myself to something. I've always wanted to stay home with my kids, but I never thought it would be possible to make really good money doing that and, like, being able to put my phone down and be with them. And when I went into this, I said, I wanted to just, if I could sell 2 courses a month, then I'd be making $1,200 a month, which was going to keep with, like, my boutique, right? I didn't expect this. I'm such an ugly crier. I'm sorry. I did not expect this at all because I was the biggest skeptic. I didn't think it was real. Holy crap. I can't even read comments right now. sorry, hang on. Let's, and now I know there's going to be a hater that's going to hop on here and be like, why are you crying? Ooh, get it together. Did you? Okay, hang on. Is it Aylin? A-Y? Is that how you say your name? I'm gonna go look. I'm gonna freak out. Here we go. Oh gosh, let's refresh. So I need to get this to, I think he just walked in the door too. Okay. Okay, then I think you did Stripe. So somebody get the calculator. PAYPal still says 45,876. Now let's go to Stripe. I'm refreshing. Oh my God. 40, what was it? 45,000 something? 45,876 plus that. What's that total? Shut up. Oh my God. I need to call him up here. Should I call him up here? Should I tell him with you guys? He just walked in the door. They were getting groceries. I'm gonna tell him. He's coming.
What's up?
Do you guys want to tell him?
Everything good? What's up, y'all? How's it going?
Do you guys want to tell him?
We got some good news?
I just hit 100K.
Wow, congrats. That's awesome.
Triple digits.
Everyone, that's amazing. Really proud of you. Appreciate everyone's support. That's incredible.
That's so crazy. They're all throwing the numbers.
Nice.
100 grand, 526 in 5 months, you guys.
Yeah.
In 5 months.
All right, so did you feel that? Did you feel the emotion she had? Imagine in 2024, that is you. Imagine in 2024, you follow this proven process, and that's you. What would you do if you could learn the skills to make $600 a day in 2024? That's $219,000 a year. So how does it work? Well, your first step is you purchase the blueprint that walks you through step by step. That's going to teach you these skills so you can learn how to have a very successful online business. So that's the first step. Second step is you plug into my mentoring. We're literally getting ready to go on our 90-day run where I'm going to equip you for success. You're going to have a solid business and you're going to understand what you need to do on a daily basis following a 2-hour workday. You can get all your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day. And you're going to learn the skills to make daily pay.